Hi, my name is Jennifer Webb,
Noah Pollard.
and we're rigging up Burning Cheeto fun times. Yay! I don't know if we can be considered like pyromaniacs for this or not, but we're gonna do it. We should also probably have done this outdoors. Does it need to be closer to the top of it?
Yeah, probably. This thing's really tall.
You want to get a metal fork instead?
Forks are.
Using a metal fork.
Question is, how do I?
You're gonna have to hold it. Or I'll have to hold it. Someone will have to hold it.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, so what's the first step on the thing? Oh yeah, we have to measure out the water.
Yeah. Alright. Get a cheese puff. Go to the electronic balance and push the tare button.
Yeah, tare zeroes it out.
I'm assuming you have to press the on button first. Alright. This will zero it out. Measure the mass of your cheese puff. You want to do a full cheese puff? Since we're using a fork? It'll take it longer to burn. Is there a graph for this? There's a graph for this.
Yeah, we have to.
Initial mass of cheese puff.
2.2 grams.
2.2 grams. Alright. There's the mass. This is your initial mass, MI. I'll need that later. Pour exactly 100 milliliters of water into a clean, empty soda can. This is where he
Have my graduated cylinder here.
pours water into it.
Mm-hmm.
And for the sake of science, we overpour and then pour out.
Maybe the final shot here is a lot.
And then pour back in.
I think I might also have taken
100.
Right. We pour it in the soda can. That was procured. Procured. I can't word tonight. I don't know. Alright.
Alright.
Yes. Into a clean, empty soda can. Alright. Put the cheese puff on a paperclip or fork. Place under the alcohol burner stand. See figure 1.
Alright.
Alright. Measure the initial temperature, water, in degrees Celsius.
So it sucks. The boiler on this.
Are you on Celsius?
I don't know.
She said we could just leave that in there as well.
Yeah. Says 22.9.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's right. We have to do this 3 times.
We don't have any more Clorox wipes, do we? Or whatever the...
Lysol wipes? Not
No, I don't think so. We have a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser.
I'm not sure I trust that.
You've got a sponge and Dawn dish soap. Alright. Light the cheese puff with your lighter. Let the cheese puff completely burn. You may want to put a little aluminum foil or cookie sheet under your Cheeto. Do not put paper under the Cheeto, as paper is flammable. I want to know what idiot decided to do that.
So we need to do that underneath the Cheeto.
I think a plate works,
Okay.
because we put a plate underneath it. Alright. Light the Cheeto on fire. Let the cheese puff burn.
You went hardcore with this gaming headset.
I didn't know what to get, so I let the lady suggest one.
Which one did she suggest?
That one.
Is
How
it
much
supposed to,
was
like,
Yes.
light?
Yes?
Yeah, it will.
Burn, Cheeto! Is it burning yet? I think it's burning.
Yeah.
Okay. I love how all of you guys are just joining in on this video.
Oh, that's a video.
Oh, yeah, we
Yeah.
should record this.
Oh, no, good.
I mean, I don't care.
Be careful, paper's flammable, as their lab said. So,
Man, this smoke is
That smells great. What are you doing, smoke detector? Let's check at least-
You guys don't have like a...
Could at least be doing this like under the oven.
Yeah, I didn't think about that beforehand.
yeah, we'll do it for the next 2 times we have to do this.
So that's the time we had our toasters.
We don't.
this is nowhere close to that bad.
I was going to say.
Oh, we have to stir this occasionally.
It could be though. It could.
Oh, yeah, you're supposed to, like, cut the...
That smells awful.
Take that and weed smoking hookers.
My gosh, seriously. I'm pretty...
People are awful. Measure the temperature of the water every 30 seconds or until the temp stops increasing. Okay.
What happens if the Cheeto goes out?
Then you relight the Cheeto so it completely burns.
Like how you
31.8.
just jammed it on a fork.
Well, it was that or a paperclip, and the paperclip wouldn't get up higher.
If
Right,
I
that's
eat the
what's
first
cool.
Cheeto, somebody came my park and let you go.
Every
Oh dang! Now it's really burning.
yeah.
It's going. Can you flip it over?
Are you measuring
Yes.
Yeah. Should be small.
Apparently supposed to stir it. I'm
Oh.
gonna knock it over every time.
You know what you're smelling? You're smelling the paint from the can.
Oh, lovely.
I keep opening this from there.
37.1.
It's the done number. Roast that Cheeto. You don't even taste it.
So if the Cheeto burns out before I get through all my temperatures, so I just stop taking the temperature?
Yeah, I think you just stop whenever the Cheeto burns out.
Sweet.
Let's get its last breath.
Die already.
Burning longer than I thought it would after the cheese went away.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of oxygen in these. Oh, there's its last breath.
I don't know, I feel like it's getting higher.
That's what I'm saying. It's like the last
57.8.
gas. There's some black smoke going on.
I hate smoke.
Yeah, and there it goes. She's
Then 56.2. Highest temperature of the water is 56. Alright, measure the mass of the Cheeto. Poor thing.
It's higher than what you started with. Please report your findings.
0.2 grams.
0.2 grams.
You know, it reminds me of those snakes. You remember those? The fireworks?
No.
Those, the snakes, the little things you would light and then they like
Oh, yeah.
roll out.
Alright, so
With that sound effect.
do we have to like calculate mass and stuff now? Or can we wait and calculate it later?
I mean, I think the video is just us doing this.
Alright. Burn another Cheeto. Because we want to smell this apartment to smell like more
Is there
burnt
anything
Cheeto.
else we have to do? Like anything extra for the next
Double
Cheeto?
checking. Measure the mass again. This is your final mass. Calculate the heat generated from your burning Cheeto puff. Convert the calories. Calculated to calories? I think that's a graph thing. Calculate how many food calories released. Repeat steps 1 through 10 with a new cheese puff 2 more times. It's not necessary to change water, but you do need to measure the new initial temp each time.
New initial temp is 49.4.
What was the mass of the Cheeto? Cheese puff? 2?
Flat 2.
Alright. Line it up. I will be.
I am. Don't worry.
Thank you. Every 30 seconds?
Yes. I have wrote them down, but I know what they are.
Okay, what are they?
The first one was 53.
Okay.
The second one was 57.
Okay.
The third one was 60.
Okay.
And we should be getting ready for another one soon. 65. Now you're up to date.
Sorry, I just totally lucky for a minute.
That's fine. We got a double flame going on here.
Notices. Camera notices? Camera's notices. Yay, we get double the firework. Which means double the smoke. Yay!
So this is a roasted can.
That poor pan is almost black.
Alright.
71. We have 3. Was that it?
Yep.
Ah, sweet. Dial, Cheeto. This really smells. We should have done this outside.
Things like not even picking it up, I don't think. Yeah, it's like this little thing. Tear it out. Tear.
Negative 0.6?
No, that's impossible. Nothing can weigh less than something.
Alright, we're gonna say 0.6 and say your thing is stupid.
Alright. Down to the third one. It blinked 0.2 there for a second. Let's put in 0.2.
We're gonna go with 0.2 and say that his measuring utensil is schizophrenic. Did you measure it?
Measure what?
That?
2.1.
2.1 it is.
Cheese nuts.
Oh, 63.2.
Yep. Cheetos burn a lot better than I thought they would.
Cheetos stink worse than I was expecting them to.
Burning cheese?
And burning processed cheese. I should have known better.
No.
So I honestly kind of want to question how much of that is cheese and how much of it is chemicals.
Turn off.
Turn off. 91.8. Hey, we might even get the water up to boiling.
And this one's burning bright quick.
It'll be over soon. Heat 5.3. And then we won't get it up to boiling. What it was.
Yep.
We'll consider it.
Might be a few bubbles in there.
Yeah. I don't really want to elaborate and try to find out.
Alright. There we go. And she's still going.
83.1.
She's dead.
83.1. What's the last temperature? Alright. How much does this burn chunk of thing weigh?
It's at 0.2.
0.2. apparently Burn Cheetos all are 0.2 grams, no matter what the original mass was. Alright, so we're going to do calculations. We're not going to bore you with watching calculations. So, bye!